This is an Avocet lock. It's a 5-pin Avocet lock. Came from eBay. One of 3 I got for £10 last year. We think it was bankrupt stock that was being dumped onto the market. They're decent locks. They've got spool pins and at least one serrated in there. They're a great fun little pick, quite challenging. The way I go for this is I go front to back, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4 step, 5. Let's see if we can now hunt for the ones that are binding. So in that case it was get it into a nice set, just move them in until finally there was just one pin that I was feeling for. Unfortunately the pick kept slipping off the top of it. But as you can see, it's quite a nice little pick. Quite a lot of people on uklocksport.co.uk got these and we thoroughly enjoyed picking them. They're a much better picking videos than this one I've just done. But if you can get hold of these, then I thoroughly recommend them because they're a lovely little pick. Okay guys, see you later. Bye bye.